Let A and B be two sets. If every element of A is an element of B, then A is called a subset of B. If A is a subset of B, we write A is a subset of B. This is a symbol of subset of B, which is read as A is a subset of B or A is contained in B. Thus, A is a subset of B if and only if A belongs to A belongs to B. The symbol stands for implies. If A is a subset of B, we say that B contains A, or B is a superset of A, and we write B is a superset of A. If A is not a subset of B, we write A is not a subset of B. We have to cross here B. Obviously, every set is a subset of itself, and the empty set is subset of every set A. A set A of a set B is called a proper subset of B if A is not equal to B, and we write A is a subset of B. In such a case, we also say that B is a superset of A, and improper subset is a subset containing every element of the original set A. Proper subset contains some but not all of the elements of the original set. The empty set is a proper subset of a given set. Thus, if A is a proper subset of B, then there exists an element X belongs to B such that X does not belong to A. It follows immediately from this definition and the definition of equal sets that two sets A and B are equal if and only if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. Thus, whenever it is to be proved that two sets A and B are equal, we must prove that A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. Clearly, here 1 is a subset of the set 1, 2, 3 because 1 belongs to in this set. But here 1, 4. So here 4 is not there. So that's why 1, 4 is not a subset of 1, 2, 3. Clearly, natural number is a subset of integer, and integer is a subset of a rational number, and rational number is a subset of real number, and real number is a subset of complex number. So, if A is the set of all divisors of 68 and B is the set of all prime divisor of 68, then B is the subset of A, and we write B is a subset of A. Some results on subset. Every set is a subset of itself. Let A be any set, then each element of A is clearly in A itself. Hence, A is a subset of itself. Just like every square is a rectangle, but every rectangle is not a square. So, every square is a rectangle. This is itself. So, A is a subset of A. The empty set is a subset of every set. Let A be any sets and phi be the empty set. In order to show that phi is a subset of A, we must show that every element of phi is an element of A. Also, but phi contains no element, so every element of phi is in A. Hence phi is a subset of A. The total number of subset of a finite set containing n element is 2 raised to the power n. Subsets of the set are of real number. Following sets are important. Subset of the set are of all real numbers. The set of all natural numbers, this one. Set of integer, set of all rational number, the set of all irrational number, it is denoted by T. So T x such that x belongs to R and x does not belong to Q. See here, natural number is a subset of integer, integer is a subset of rational number, rational number is a subset of real number, and T is a subset of R and is not a subset of T.